Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 127. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 4, and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 8, 1 and 8 here. So this is our 4, that makes this our 8, 1. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, and 4. We've got 2 and 4 here, so this is our 3. I don't see any other help, so 2, 4, 2, 4. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 7. We've got a 1 and 7 here. So this is our 2, 7 here, so 1, 7. For this column now, we're only missing a 2. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 8. For this row, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 6, 2. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, and 6. We've got a 2 and 6 here, so this is our 4. I don't see any other help. So 2, 6, 2, 6. For this bottom row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing an 8. For this column now, we're missing 6, 7, and 9. We've got a 6 here and a 7 here, so this is our 9. I don't see any other help. So 6, 7, 6, 7. For this top row, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 5, 7. No other help, so 1, 5, 7, 1, 5, 7. For this row, we're missing 3, 4, and 9. No help here, so 3, 4, 9. We've got a 9 and a 3 here, so this is our 4. 3 here, so 9, 3. For this column, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got 1 and 5 here, so this is our 7. 1 here, so 5, 1. For this box now, we're missing 4, 5, 6, and 9. We've got a 6 here and a 5 here, so 4, 9. 5 here, 9 here, so 4, 6. 5 and 9 here, so 4, 6. 4 and 6 here, and a 9 here. So this is our 5. And then if we look, the only place our 9 can be in that box is here. For this row now, we're just missing a 9. For this column, we're missing 2, 5, and 8. We've got a 2 and 8 here, so this is our 5. 8 here, so 2, 8. That 2 makes this our 6, 2. That 2 makes this our 4, 2. That 4 makes this our 6, 4. And that 6 makes this our 7, 6. For this row now, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 8. To finish out this box, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 7, 1. And that 7 makes this our 5, 7. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.